Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link. Number 1. Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen Wireless Earbuds. Up to 2x more active noise cancelling, adaptive transparency, personalized spatial audio, MagSafe charging case, Lightning, Bluetooth headphones for iPhone richer audio experience. The Apple-designed H2 chip pushes advanced audio performance even further, resulting in smarter noise cancellation and more immersive sound. The low distortion, custom-built driver delivers crisp, clear high notes and deep, rich bass in stunning definition. So every sound is more vivid than ever. Note: if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. Next level active noise cancellation, up to 2x more active noise cancellation than the previous AirPods Pro for dramatically less noise on your commute or when you want to focus. Adaptive transparency lets you comfortably hear the world around you, adjusting for intense noise like sirens or construction in real time. Customizable fit now with 4 pairs of silicone tips, XS, S, M, L, to fit a wider range of ears and provide all-day comfort. The tips create an acoustic seal to help keep out noise and secure AirPods Pro in place. Sound all-around personalized spatial audio surrounds you in sound tuned just for you. It works with dynamic head tracking to immerse you deeper in music and movies. Higher level of control now: you can swipe the stem to adjust volume, press it to play and pause music, or to answer and end a call, or hold it to switch between active noise cancellation and adaptive transparency. Number 2. Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Apple H1 headphone chip, compatible with Apple and Android. Class 1 Bluetooth, built-in microphone, 6 hours of listening time. Beats White Flexible, secure fit wingtips for all-day comfort and stability. The custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. 3 distinct listening modes: active noise cancelling, transparency mode, and adaptive EQ, enhanced by the Apple H1 chip for automatic switching, audio sharing with another pair of Beats headphones or Apple AirPods, and Hey Siri. Number 3. Apple AirPods 3rd Generation Wireless Earbuds, Bluetooth headphones, personalized spatial audio, sweat and water resistant. Lightning charging case included, up to 30 hours of battery life, personalized spatial audio with a sound that suits your unique ear shape, and dynamic head tracking. AirPods 3rd Generation deliver an immersive listening experience that places sound around you. You can also listen to select songs, shows, and movies in Dolby Atmos. Sweat and water protection. AirPods in the Lightning charging case are rated IPX for sweat and water resistant, so they'll withstand anything from heavy workouts to rain. A powerful case: recharge your AirPods with the portable Lightning charging case for power throughout the day, wherever you go. Pinch perfect control: the force sensor lets you control your entertainment and answer, and mute or unmute yourself on calls. Long battery life: up to 6 hours of listening time with one charge, and up to 30 hours total listening time with the Lightning charging case. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds, noise cancelling, hi-fi sound, 360 audio, comfort, fit in ear, HD voice conversation mode, IPX7 water resistant, US version, graphite. Hear only what you want. Intelligent active noise: CANCELLATION. Quiets even the loudest outside sounds. Tune in to what matters most without being bothered by distracting sounds around you. Every moment sounds epic. Studio quality sound isn't just for the pros. Feel every note like you're there with Galaxy Buds 2 Pro 2 and get a next level listening experience. Whether you're rocking out to your playlist or listening to a podcast, like 3D for your ears. Amplify what you like, minimize what you don't. Enhance 360-degree audio 2 brings out the tones you love from every angle for a personalized surround sound experience. Every time you pop them in, record like a pro. Capture sound like a pro without dragging around the bulky recording equipment with 360 audio. EarCording3 create captivating videos with high-quality audio that brings out the best in your voice and other sounds. Sound never felt so right? Pop them in and forget they're there. Galaxy Buds 2 Pro are designed to be even more comfortable than before and fit securely, no matter what you're doing, whether you're working or working out. Number 5. EarFun Air Pro 3 Noise Cancelling Earbuds, Qualcomm aptX Adaptive Sound, 6 Mix CVC 8.0 Enc, Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds, multi-point connection, 45H playtime, app customize EC wireless, charging latest Qualcomm QCC3071 SoC and aptX adaptive audio, powered by the advanced QCC3071 chipset and Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio technology. The TWS earbuds deliver powerful sound and incredible range while minimizing distortion. The EarFun Air Pro 3 earbuds are driven by premium 11mm wool composite dynamic drivers that deliver deep, moving bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. EOS devices are not compatible with aptX adaptive. Qualcomm CVC 8.0 Enc with 6 Mix. The wireless earbuds have 6 environmental noise cancellation Enc microphones, combined with Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology that picks up your voice clearly and blocks out unwanted background and wind noise, creating crystal clear call quality. Reduces noise up to 43 decibels. EarFun Air Pro 3 noise cancelling earbuds feature unique hybrid Enc technology 2.0. Environmental noises are eliminated up to 43 decibels. You can choose your noise-canceling mode to adapt to your environment, immersing you in any place. Seamless multi-point connection and Bluetooth 5.3. The Bluetooth earbuds headphones support connecting and switching between two devices, simultaneously using the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Enjoy low 55 milliseconds latency that keeps movies and games in sync. 45 HRS of total playtime. The true wireless earbuds provide 9 hours of playtime from a single charge and extend it to a total of 45 hours. By using the compact USB-C wireless charging case, experience fast charging with a quick 10-minute charging providing 2 hours of playtime. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.